Okay, now let's talk about the recurring schedule trigger. Let's select it. And it's basically what the name implies. You can set up a schedule, and you can actually get pretty complicated with the schedule. So let's build one out really quick. So first you have to select the start date. This doesn't necessarily mean it's going to start right on this date. It basically means that this pattern has to have been after this start date. So for example, if I select start last Friday, that means that the pattern will start from last Friday. But if I say start on the 25th, it's not going to start until after the 25th. So I always just pick if I want to do every Friday, I always just pick the Friday before, right? So I'm going to click last Friday at 8 a.m. I want it to repeat daily. What this would do is it would do every single day at 8 o'clock starting last Friday, which doesn't really matter since it's daily. So it would be every single day from now on. This would run. So if you want to do daily reports, you could do this. Now you could do weekly. So every Friday, weekly. So it wouldn't run last Friday and 8 a.m. already passed today. So it would start next Friday. You can do monthly on the second Friday, annually. So I'm going to just select weekly. And then every Friday at 8 a.m., this workflow would run. Now you can go to the custom, which lets you configure a little bit more. So I can say let's do weeks. So every week starting last Friday, this gets a little complicated, every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, every third week, do that. Does that make sense? So if I want to do every other Friday, starting from last Friday, this is how you do it. Now, I don't expect you to try to create these really complicated stuff, but that's basically what it means. You can do every minute, every other minute, every 5 minutes, every 60 minutes, which in that case, you just do every 1 hour. I want to run this workflow. I hope that's making sense. So if we do, I want to do every, let's say every Monday and Friday, you'd probably use the weeks one, and then you'd add Monday. So every Monday and Friday at 8 a.m., every other Monday and Friday at 8 a.m., you do it like this. So you can play around with it. I was going to show you every minute and then have it send a message in Slack every minute, but I think you get the point. So yeah, if you have any questions, send us a message and we can update our docs to help any other people who might have the same questions. Thanks.